Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to back up your Google Pixel. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap the gear icon to open your settings. This is where you'll access all the important system configurations for your device. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down through the list of options until you find the one labeled System. This section contains essential device management features, including your backup settings. Go ahead and tap on System to open it. This will bring up a new menu with several system-level options. From here, you'll need to locate the backup option in the list. Once you spot it, tap on Backup to access your device's backup settings. This is where you can control how and when your data is saved to the cloud. Now you'll see an option that says Turn On. Tap this button to enable the backup feature for your Pixel. By turning this on, you're allowing your device to automatically save important data to your Google account, ensuring your information is safe even if something happens to your phone. After tapping Turn On, a message will appear on your screen presenting you with backup options. You'll see checkboxes for different types of data. Make sure to check both the Photos and Videos checkbox and the Other Device Data checkbox. This ensures that all your important content from your camera roll to your app settings and preferences will be included in the backup. Once you've selected both options, tap Confirm to apply these settings. Your device will now be configured to automatically back up your data to your Google account whenever it's idle and connected to Wi-Fi. This happens in the background without you having to do anything. However, if you want to ensure everything is backed up right away, you can tap the Backup Now button. This will immediately start uploading your selected data to Google's servers, giving you peace of mind that your information is secure. And that's it. You've successfully set up automatic backups on your Google Pixel, protecting your photos, videos, and other important data. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.